Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I got this hot Cheetos look with my hair. Thank you to Riri for naming it for me. I really didn't know how to name this tutorial. So this hair is from Ririhair. They reached out to me. They wanted to send me a nice little wig. So the wig comes in this beautiful box, and it also comes with a thank you note, so to thank you from your purchase. And then it comes with a piece of paper telling you all of the information about your wig. So the length, the hair type, the density, all of that jazz comes in the box. You obviously get the wig. So about the wig, this has to be the best pre-made wig I've ever had in my entire life. Since I started working with wigs, this is my favorite wig. The blonde was perfect. It wasn't too yellow, it wasn't too ashy, and they did a really good job with the closure, plucking it and making it look natural. The wig also comes with 2 wig caps, which is really nice. You don't have to go to your local beauty supply store to pick that up. And it also comes with the best brush I've ever had in my whole entire life. I've never had a brush like this before, so I don't know why I was so excited when I saw the brush. And I don't even just use it for this wig, I use it for all of my wigs. It is my favorite brush. So as you can see, the hair is super soft, super bouncy, super shiny. If you want a pre-made wig, I would really suggest this one because the blonde hair is perfect. You do not need to tone it. You don't need anything. You don't need to do anything with it if you don't want to. So the inside of the wig comes with built-in clips, adjustable straps, and also a elastic band on the side, so the wig can be nice and secure. The lace is pre-bleached, so you literally don't have to do anything. So to start off with the tutorial, we are going to start by putting some water on the stove. I put the water on maximum just so it can be nice and hot. You're also going to need some paper. This is just to I use some newspaper just to lay the wig so I don't dirty wherever you're working. Just use that. So I'm gonna go into the Sparks hair dye. This is some semi-permanent hair dye in the color Orange Crush. Orange Crush is my favorite drink, but the color is called Orange Crush. So I'm using 2 of these, and these you can get them at the beauty supply store. Mine is called Beauté Era. It's my favorite one, and I can get anything over there. So they do sell that hair color. Look how bright and pigmented that color is. I've used other hair dyes before, and this one is my favorite. So I'm just going to squeeze out all of the hair dye. I'm like out of breath. I'm going to squeeze all of the hair dye inside the hot water. Just make sure you get as much hair dye as possible because you really want your hair color to pop out. I could have done this hair tutorial with any other color. I just thought that for fall, like I really wanted a pink wig, but I thought for fall, like I'm like, you know what, screw it, let's go orange, let's do orange. And it came out a beautiful, beautiful bright orange. The hair, I've noticed also that the hair takes hair dye really well. I've never had hair take hair dye that well ever. I'm just going to crush the little crumbs of hair dye into the water. I noticed that this hair dye isn't as easy to blend with water as the other hair dyes, but I just feel like the cream hair dye works a little more on hair. It's a little more pigmented. So I'm just going to squeeze out the second bottle, going to squeeze out all of the product, as much product as possible, like I mentioned before, because you just want that really vibrant orange color to pop. So now I'm going to use a really big spoon. I'm just going to mix the water and make sure that everything is crushed. I'm also going to crush all of the cream product with my hands. I didn't really mind because I'm about to do my nails soon, so obviously use gloves, but the water wasn't too hot too, so don't worry about that. So now we're going to dip in the beautiful blonde wig. I only changed the color of the wig because I wanted something different. I didn't want blonde, but the blonde is very, very nice. It is beautiful. One of the nicest blondes I've ever seen on a pre-made wig. So I would really suggest this wig if you are looking for blonde hair, or if you want a wig to dye any color that you want. So now I'm just going to pretty much mix the water onto the wig, the orange water, just so the color can attach itself to the hair. I'm just going to literally marinate the wig into the hair, into the water, and let that sit for about half an hour, just so the color can be really well taken into the wig. I'm really bad at voiceovers because I don't know how to explain what I'm doing, but hope you guys can bear with me. So right now what I'm doing is that I'm letting the wig sit for half an hour. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of that process. You can put the cover on top, or you don't have to if you don't want to. So this is how the hair came out when it was done. It kind of lightened a little, but it's okay. So that's it for the video, guys. This is how the hair came out. I love the color. It is literally hot Cheetos, flaming hot Cheetos hair. So if anyone wants to try Riri hair, check them out. Everything will be linked in the video down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Love you.
Maybe even on the coast.